So I am out here in northern British Columbia, July. We got some moose bones here in the bush. See, the animals have scattered the carcass around all over. There's bits of it everywhere. Some more over here. Moose is a very large animal. Part of its jaw there. Huh. So yeah, a beautiful day to walk out in the bush, explore nature, look around at all of this wonderful green and trees. You don't even know that there's civilization anywhere around here. Just sort of forest, more forest, so much forest. And we walk through here, we go around here, the forest is thinning and thinning, and there's a little barn, and that's when you start to notice that we're just in my backyard.